Okay. Hello, my name is Ryan Jensen. I'm going to be explaining my formatted integers project on Khan Academy. So to start this off, I start off with two variables, or global variables. The first one is counter, set it equal to 0. And then the second one is store, which also set it equal to 0. And what this number will basically be, or this variable will basically be the numbers that you see here. And this variable will be the random number. And you'll see that we get from calling the function, and we'll see that later. So on line 4, I made the function called random int, or random integer, and I made the parameter n. So for the next line, or next two lines, I have two for loops. So the outer loop controls the amount of rows that I have, depending on what the random integer is, and the inner loop controls the numbers inside each row. So you see it right here. It says var I equals 0, and then I is less than or equal to 14, which means there's going to be 15 numbers in each row. And this line right here, from 0 to 19, or basically 0 to 20, there's going to be 20 rows in total if the number was 300. In this inner for loop, I made an if statement just in case the random integer stopped like halfway, which is what you see here with 158. So I said if the counter is less than the store value, then just keep adding 1 to this counter, which is what we see here. So, and right here we see that I stored equal to n, which will be the random number. So say I restart, and it will be 238. So 238 will go here. So then the store value is now 238. And then if this if statement is saying if the counter is less than 238, keep adding 1 from 1. So it's going to keep going until it reaches 238, and then once it reaches 238, it stops. And that's what we see here. And that's it. Okay.